I would like to dedicate the next part of this demonstration, the use and construction of an arch that is commonly used in the initial phases of therapy, especially in those cases when we have to intervene in mixed dentition. I'm talking about the basic utility arch of rickets. We use it generally to correct the bite, or in third class situations when we want to bring the incisors forward, or when we have an unleveled line between the incisal borders and the interpupillary line. The utility arch is used in only in some sections of the mouth, and it is not active in other parts. This is why it is usually used in the initial phases. To see how we create it, originally Ricketts made it with a 16 by 16 wire, which is very elastic, that allowed the wire to exert its action and be active throughout the time that the arch remained in the mouth. We will use a preformed arch in the typodont, where we have eliminated the teeth in the midsection to aid the construction of the arch. We try the wire in the mouth and we mark with a pen the distal to the right lateral incisor and the distal of the left lateral incisor with Nance pliers on the first step, and placing the plier on the mark that we made, we make the first bend upwards on the mesial and a downwards bend on the distal, creating a bend at 120 degrees. The same thing is done on the other side, placing the pliers on the posterior part. We bend upwards the mesial part, and the distal part is bent downwards. It is clear that by using the distal part of the wire on the arch, we took the portion of the wire in the canine section, thus losing part of the canine bulge that we have to recreate before we proceed.